Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can sort columns or numbers in your documents on Google Sheets from highest to lowest. So let us get started. So let's assume you have a range of data like we see in that example table here with these numbers under that column, and these are pretty mixed. So you would like to sort them from the highest number to the lowest or vice versa, guys. This is how you can do it. Simply highlight all cells that contain the respective data, just like that with your left mouse. Navigate to data here, hover mouse over sort range, and select one of these options. It doesn't show any numbers, it's letters A to Z and Z to A, but just think of it that A being the highest and Z the lowest number and vice versa. So you can apply it to your column and to your numbers as well. And as you can see now, these numbers are sorted from the lowest number to the highest, and you can do the same, but this time the opposite way. And now we're starting with the highest number at the top and with the lowest data at the bottom, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.